What I have here is half a cup of hot water in which one packet, approximately 1 tablespoon of plain gelatin has been dissolved. Now I'm supposed to have let it sit for 1 hour to cool down, but I'm going to cheat a little and see if I can get away with less time. I also have 1/4 of a cup of corn syrup and some green food coloring. So I'm going to put some green food coloring into the gelatin mixture. I'm just putting in a couple of drops. Stir it together. And next we're going to stir the gelatin mixture into the corn syrup and see what happens. Okay, it looks like the gelatin is starting to get a little bit solid. You might need to let this rest and cool a little bit longer to get the correct texture. But it is starting to get kind of long and drippy, kind of like snot. Now please keep in mind, since we added food coloring to this is something that can stain, so you want to be making sure that you put some old newspaper or something to protect the surface so that you don't leave stains on the table. You also might want to keep in mind that gelatin can be very hard to remove from the surface once it's cooled. So make sure that it's wiped up right away. Once it hardens, it's a lot more work to get off. Okay, so I'm going to set this into the refrigerator for a little more cooling time and see what we come up with. The mixture has had some more time to cool now, and you can see that it's not runny anymore. It has a sort of snot-like texture, and now you have a slime.